UTF has celebrated the 117th birth anniversary of Maharaja Bir Bikram Kishore Manikya Bahadur Debbarma. The state poet and literature Bikash Debbarma inaugurated the program by lighting a candle. Present guests were social activist Shakti Jamatia, UTF President Sajal Debbarma, and Budhilian Hrangkhawl, among others.
On Tuesday, 19 August, along with various NGOs and parties, United Tipra Forum has also celebrated the 117th birth anniversary of Maharaja Bir Bikram Kishore Manikya Bahadur in their coaching center in Nandanagar. The state poet and literature Bikash Debbarma inaugurated the program by lighting a candle and later paid a floral tribute to Maharaja along with other present people. Present guests were social activist Shakti Jamatia, UTF President Sajal Debbarma, and Budhilian Hrangkhawl, among others.
Tini or Chini UTF office nogo, Chini coaching class student of no log, Chini Okra Chakra of no log, Chini Maharaja Bir Bikram Manikya Bahadur ni, Exo Shotoro Atsaimani Bisino, Sankisa Katum Kazaka Palai Bagi, Santinoro Kutum Laimani, Chino Kutum Pandawo, Chini Boagrani Atsaimani. Salnoto sing observe kan kheleka celebrate kheleka kekra laimani bisingtu logiwo jeng chini coaching ni siklarok ni bisingo chini boba grano tui kaisa speech competition bo sing narak laika ajaga chini siklarok participate khlaileka boba grano tui Maharaja Bir Bikram ni laibo marok no tui sing borok ni speech ni bisingtu kabangma information sing khana laika serang laika Katal keseng mudo klai pika. Obone bisingtui jeng sara Tripura tini ni dino bobagrani je achaimani salno hom dorong ka palalai tongmani ojagawo jeng bo haino dolsa jeng tinoro chini office no jeng klai ka tai palalai ka sini tini ni sal o je bobagra achaimani sal obone importance Oboni tamna omo busuk zora threi chini dopha ni borokrok ni bagai tini ni zorawo nang tai obono singbuskani salo tebo hohom dodom khlaioi tebo mane khoroksa Tripura saphano ba Tripura ni khoroksa citizen phano jate o salno celebrate khlailai tak borathung a level sing teruk telangai thanglainani nangnai obono chini
Speaking at the event highlighted the Maharaja's progressive vision and his significant contributions to the development of the state in areas such as education, infrastructure, and social welfare. Reported by Amit from Agatla, Chini Khorang.